Hello, and welcome to Lesson 1, Domain Overview. In this lesson, we will start with competitive research.
SEMrush offers you various options for obtaining the most comprehensive list of keywords, and the first one is to look at your competition's strategy.
Now we can move on to the domain analytics. It assists you in performing competitive research and finding the gaps in your competitors' strategies, which you can then use to develop a better campaign and beat your competition.
Imagine that we are going to run an ad campaign for the Domino's pizza chain. We will take steps that will lead us to preparing this campaign with the help of SEMrush reports and tools.
First, let us see what the Domain Overview report provides you. If you like, feel free to follow along in your own SEMrush account. The practice will enable you to show your proficiency later if you take the exam. Access Domain Overview in the left-hand SEMrush menu and start by typing in your competitor's domain name in the search box. For example, Little Caesars. You will see all the essential information on a query domain, including organic and paid traffic and keywords, keywords distribution between databases, organic traffic cost, which is an estimation of how much it would cost if you were to bid on organic keywords through Google AdWords, paid traffic cost, the number of backlinks, AdSense data, and comparison between organic and paid traffic. If you scroll down, you will see this information broken into several sections. From the PPC expert's standpoint, the most important is the paid search section. It is comprised of subsections of the most representative data. These subsections include the top paid keywords list, the main competitors list, the competitive positioning map, and the sample ads widgets. They provide you an overview of your competition's Google AdWords bidding strategy and presence in paid results. Every piece of data is clickable and will lead you to the appropriate report in the advertising research section.
To recap, we talked about the Domain Overview report, which helps you take a bird's eye view of your competitors' strategies, allowing you to gain an upper hand over your competition.